अस्सलाम वालेकुम। लेसन नंबर 4। आज हम मार्केटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग के लेसन नंबर 4 पर बात करेंगे। ए मार्केटिंग इन हिस्टोरिकल प्रीवियस एंड एवोल्यूशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग। द मार्केटिंग concept is a matter in increased marketing activity, but it also implies better marketing programs and implementation factors. In addition, the internal market in every company markets your company and products to and with the employees of the company has become as challenging as the external marketing place due to the diversity and many other social culture issues. What image come to mind when you hear the word marketing? Some people think of advertisement of brokers, while others think of public reaction. For instance, arranging the clients of the appear on TV talk shows. The truth is all of these and many more things make up the field of marketing. Marketing has planning and execution, the strategy involved in moving a good or services from product to consumer. With this definition in mind, the appearance that marketing and many other business activities are related some ways. In simple term, market and others help move goods on services growth the create the and production process at the point market is help move the goods and services to consumer, but the connecting goes very for future. Even future marketing can have a significant impact and all areas of the business and very various. Let's discuss some marketing basically include marketing. You learned some basic first, the 4 pieces and then 6 pieces. Number one है product. What are you selling? It might be a product or a services. Price. What is your pricing strategy? Number three, place or distribution. How are you distributing your product to get it into the marketplace? Number two है three है promotion. How are you telling consumer in your target group about your product? Number four है position. What place do you want to product to hold in this consumer mind? इसके बाद आ जाएगा personal relationship. How are you building relationship with your target consumer? Marketing management is the considered factor the achieve describe a change also comes with the target market. The market's basically skills lies in influencing that level, timing and composition of a demand of a product, services, organization, place, person, ideas of some from information. There are several factors that participate role in evaluation of the marketing life. इसके बाद आ जाएगा नंबर वन पर चेंज इन कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर के कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर कैसे चेंज होता है, उसका क्यों चेंज होता है. देयर हैव बीन मैनी मेजर मार्केटिंग शिफ्टिंग ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट फ्यू डिस्क्राइब that have shaped marketing in the 21st century. There is a view among professional market that in there is no longer the question product layout that expired of the last few decide product and a brand layout. Many areas has been replaced the something modern thing to a consumer decision that is based on the absence of a better product or services. इसके बाद increasing it's clear that while that 4 pieces product price promotion and place have value of the consumer, the marketing strategies of the 21st century will use of 4 pieces as decided 21st century will use the 4. नंबर वन है केयर, टू है चूज, थ्री कम्युनिटी, नंबर फोर है चैलेंजेस. ये सारे इसके 4 pieces हैं. इसके बाद आ जाएगा नंबर टू पर एंड ऑफ द मास मार्केट. ड्यूरिंग द लेट ऑफ 199 वी विटनेस्ड द डेथ ऑफ द concept of mass market address something markets continues to that behavior marketing will never replace mass marketing. The must product the view is the mail telephone of fax will never becomes cost effective and use to just spend the return. However, With success of the internet provides a considerable advance that one-to-one marketing is and will be opportunity for many packaged good and other high and low environment products that in a past sold almost executing with brand advertising. इसके बाद आ जाएगा ड्यूरिंग 199 properties Chinese supplement warehouse clubs and even restaurants became target the consumer. Many of these programs are personal computers platform of working environment much more powerful than the most capable mini forms of the 1970s. It is possible today to track 5 or 6 million customers for the same real cost of tracking a single consumer in 1950. With internet-based disable the remote actors, the capability later has exploded in the last few years. इसके बाद हम बात करें increasing diversity of the population of the United States has always been an immigration nation. However, large number of migration for Latin American and Asia have increased the population in Europe. फिर बात करेंगे changing family and living partners. There have been substantial rise in the discovery rate, contribution, non-maintained birth, and increasing female practitioner in the labor forces. इसके बाद बात करेंगे emergency या new children market maneuver over in the younger age baskets due to high fertility and the younger 3 children in the United States in black Hispanic of Asian. फिर अगला पॉइंट है इनकम एंड एजुकेशन इंक्रीजिंग आर टू इम्पोर्टेंट डेमोग्राफिया फैक्टर्स इम्पेक्टिंग के इसमें ये कह रहा है कि जो इनकम और एजुकेशन है ये दोनों इजाफे के लिए हैं. इसके बाद हम बात करेंगे हेल्प पीपल आर प्रमोट एंड रीच देयर पैक अर्निंग ईयर एंड द लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन जर्नी रिस्क हाई इनकम्स बिकॉज दे मे हैव टू एरियाज. इसके बाद बात करेंगे दे आर सर्वल प्रोटेक्शन that can guide organization in their factors to create out their marketing goals. Number 8, the production concept. The production concept holds that a consumer will favor products that are available at in highly afford and that management should therefore focus on improving production and distribution effectiveness. इसके बाद नंबर 1 पर है डिमांड फॉर अ प्रोडक्ट एक्सीड्स द सप्लाई. 2 है द प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट too high and improved product in needs to bring down their risk with the concept is in forcing to narrowing company awareness. फिर बात करेंगे बी द प्रोडक्ट कंसेप्ट. प्रोडक्ट का कंसेप्ट क्या है? द प्रोडक्ट कंसेप्ट होल्ड दैट कंज्यूमर फॉर एवर क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आर रीजनेबली प्राइस्ड एंड देयरफॉर लिटिल promotional offerings. Consumer will not buy and goals of the company's products unless they are submitted through the substantial selling or promotion factors. उसके बाद सी पर है द सेलिंग कंसेप्ट. के सेलिंग कंसेप्ट क्या है? मैनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉलोइंग द सेलिंग concept. The selling concept is the idea that consumer will not buy and creating a large स्केल्स सेलिंग एंड प्रमोशन फैक्टर. नंबर 1 है द कंसेप्ट इज टाइपिकली पार्टनरशिप. इसी तरह इसके 4 पॉइंट्स है. इसके बाद डी पर बात करेंगे द मार्केटिंग कंसेप्ट. के मार्केटिंग का कंसेप्ट क्या है? द मार्केटिंग कंसेप्ट होल्ड एट अचीविंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन गोल्स पैटर्न ऑन डिटर्मिनेट्स द नीड्स एंड वांट्स टू टारगेट मार्केट्स एंड डिलीवरिंग द डिस्क्राइब स्ट्रेटिफिकेशन मोर इफेक्टिवली एंड इफेक्टिवली than competitors do. The marketing and selling concepts are often confused. The primary factor. ये था आज का हमारा टॉपिक.